Hi, it's Ileana, and today I am going to be discussing the harmonic frequency shift, universe upgrade, and expansion. So this harmonic frequency shift, universe upgrade, and expansion happened on June 18th, 2028. What appeared on the Schumann resonance scale, that was not a glitch. This was literally, it was the literal universe upgrade reset. People think that it's a glitch because the way the Schumann resonance usually looks like, it is just waves. It's not, it looks like DNA light codes and DNA spiral helixes. But this time, the Schumann resonance frequency was very high, and it looked like stuff from DNA, literally DNA helixes, spirals, and codes. And people thought that this is a glitch. It's not a glitch. It's literally the universe reshaping itself and upgrading itself to a higher frequency. And I was sent this information by a colleague of mine who asked me, well, what do you think of this? Do you know what's going on? Right now, I'm kind of feeling somewhat dizzy. This is interesting phenomenon. The experience I'm having, are you feeling anything? And I said to them, no, I'm not feeling anything. I'm fine, but I do sense a lot of energy. So I started looking at what they sent me in the Schumann resonance, the image, and I saw spirals and upgrades of energy, DNA, frequency, and universe expanding. And I wrote down the impressions, and I did mathematical historiography to see what the math science would show about the Schumann resonance frequency, why it looked like DNA codes, spirals, and helixes. And I was shown something very revealing, that the universe was indeed expanding, upgrading itself, and the frequencies were literally expanding outward. So I saw that in the math science. So I'm going to read the impressions that I got of what was happening and show you the images of the math historiography of what the math science showed from the Schumann resonance. I took the image of the Schumann resonance, that reading of what it was showing, and I put it through a math software program that reveals hidden mathematical aspects of reality beyond 3D. It reveals what's really going on. And I was not the only one who did this. Someone else did it, and they had similar results. So I'm going to show what I got and what this other person got. So during June 18th, 2023, the Schumann resonance frequency had light code and DNA downloads, which are expanding psychic development abilities for empathic, intuitive, and telepathic energies within soul development as well as evolution. The way that the Schumann resonance was seen on the hardware and software in the measurements sequence of DNA and energetic helixes was not a glitch in the equipment, but an energetic change within our universe going through a reset and an upgrade. The known universe reset itself and upgraded from 1.5 frequency octave to the 2.5 frequency octave, and our universe vibrates at a specific octave, the known universe, so it upgraded. While there's different densities, third density, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and upwards, this is a frequency octave, so it's slightly different, upgraded on a frequency octave. So this is the fourth universal reset that we've experienced, expanding soul evolution on Earth and for the universe our known universe that we're in. We went from 1.5 frequency octave to 2.5 frequency octave. There's a 5-star energetic path that opened up within the universe itself and created the expansion of the warp energies coalescing within the unified fields of infinity in this energetic and physical harmonic frequency shift that had originally happened in 1987 and is occurring now in 2023 and beyond into 2025 to help bring in positive changes into life creation. So we're in a shift harmonic, we're in a universal upgrade and expansion, and mathematical equations can show us what's going on with this expansion. So mathematical hysteroscopies, historical data, I call them mathematical hysteroscopies, can reveal the mathematical hidden science behind what is shown on the surface of objects or spatial planes of energetic frequencies that are changing the fabric of space-time existence itself. So think of sacred geometry, think of universal geometry. There's hidden geometry within natural phenomenon happening in space, in the universe, on the earth, everywhere in existence. That's part of it. For example, the Schumann resonance measurements on June 18th, 2023 showed that something looked different beyond the normal, with images of DNA light code imprints growing and morphing in the biogenic fields of human beings and their molecular evolution, or triple helixes of energetic upgrades happening in the universe field, literally reforming itself and upgrading to the next octave of frequency vibration. Some may say that looks like a glitch in the matrix systems, but it's an alert in the mathematical spectrums that evolution is doing its work behind the scenes, and we are getting a hidden glimpse in how reality shifts itself into a new paradigm of change in the universe, literally reshaping itself in cosmic expansions. We're seeing the hidden aspects become visible through a different spectrum of mathematical geometry revealing itself to us. This is part of the mathematical and energetic frequency phenomenon seen through mathematical scales of number shifts showing themselves in the visual fields of a known universe, expanding its creation parameters into a broader spectrum of light field filaments, reshaping human psychic abilities, biology, and thought consciousness soul growth through the universe shifting itself into higher energetic octaves to support the harmonic shift happening in our existence, for more freedom, for more truth to be revealed, and energy vibrational calibration in the heavier density fields becoming lighter for life to expand everywhere for the betterment and for the better of humanity and everything existing on Earth and other planets in our solar systems and galaxies, Milky Way galaxy, Andromeda galaxy, and beyond. This is a vast universe expansion, reset, growth, evolution, and an upgrade. It's huge. The Schumann resonance is said to be the heartbeat measurement of the Earth, and what frequencies it vibrates at is very important, but it's also an indicator of the universe upgrades and scales of creational vibration that are happening. The images are mathematical measurements of how the universe was resetting itself and going through the frequency upgrades with its mathematical components of information, aligning itself with the energetic codes of transformation, change, and vibration, convergence, and converging with the harmonic frequency shift, remastering universal creation itself. So the universe has remastered itself, expanded outward, recreated, and rebalanced itself for the better. And this is what the Schumann resonance field and measurement looked like on June 18th, 2023. It didn't look normal or regular, so people thought it was a glitch, but it's not a glitch. It's something different going on and happening. And there's this 5-star path showing the expansion of the universe and reformatting and reforming, reshaping of the universe, and the various spirals, the energy filaments and genetic spirals going outward, because everything is living here. DNA, it's not just human DNA, it's energetic fields. DNA is alive, it's everywhere. There's different types of DNA. So this is showing the harmonic frequency shift event convergence with universe reset and upgrade. This is what the mathematical models showed me when I put the Schumann resonance through the mathematical sequencing. This is what came out. I didn't know what to expect. I just had a hunch that the universe was expanding psychically, and it was, and this is what came out. And this is the filament frequencies and the codes, light codes, expanding. It started from a blue energy, went to light green, yellow frequencies, and white. That's the expansion, and turquoise as well. And this is the reformed universe, literally how it reformed itself. It's completed its reset and upgrade. The mathematical equation is showing that. It's different. I did not expect this, but the 5-pointed star and the reformation in the circles and fields and the colors. I also put it through the infrared spectrum because I wanted to see what the energy looks like. And there was a lot of energy being expanded into this reset and upgrade. A lot of orange, yellow, red color with the blues, the greens, the turquoises, a lot of expansion. So a lot of energy went into reformatting this universe to upgrade its octave frequencies. It's very beautiful, and it's a large scale modeling that was done. So these are the images I got from the math. Michael Lee Hill also got interesting confirmation data of the reformatting and reshaping of the universe and how that looks like. So this is what he got from the math, and credit goes to Michael Lee Hill for this. So it's the universe is reformatting itself, reshaping, and it looks like water droplets and water molecules reshaping the universe. It's very beautiful. It's a frequency harmonic shift event. And I've been talking about that for a while. I had a vision in 2015, and I saw how this would start happening, but I knew it would come later. So this is the later. This is happening now. And it's another reshaping of the universe, Michael Lee Hill's image that was shared. And this is the universe coalescing into that current shape that it's now at that 2.5 frequency octave upgrade. So you see how it's coalescing together and formatting and taking on that new shape. Think of toroidal fields. The universe is like a toroidal field, but many, many of them now, more toroidal fields than there ever was before. Plasma energy, sequencing, shifting, energetic vibration going on. That's all happening now, and it's quite beautiful. And this is just the images of how the universe was reshaping itself and what it was reformatting itself into. The 5-star is very important. The 5 paths that we walk on, the expansion of the soul, the expansion of creation itself, the 5-path continuum, the 5-path infinity, and the formatting of the circle, the infinity, the continuation of everything in creation, the abundance of creative expansion, the warp fields expanding around the universe, all that taking place in this reset and upgrade. This is not a bad reset, it's a good reset. It raised the vibration. We're higher octave now. And some people were experiencing symptoms of this. Dizziness, feeling emotions, emotional expansion, psychic abilities expanding, feeling energized. Some people were falling asleep. Some people were feeling more energized and sleeping less. Everybody experiences this in their own unique way, this expansion, universal expansion. So I wanted to share the results of the mathematical testing to see what was happening to this universe expansion and what went down on June 18th, 2028. So thank you so much, and namaste. This was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful expansion. And I wanted to go over it and share it because it's not every day that the universe reshapes itself and expands. Beautiful creativity going on here. Blessings.